Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this tutorial we will learn how to insert a blank space between tables in Microsoft Word in a clean and professional way. Paper spacing, proper spacing between tables is important for readability, organization and professional document layout, especially in reports, assignments, business document, invoices and academic papers. Many users place tables too close together, making documents look crowded and hard to read. In this video, we will discover simple, accurate and effective methods to add blank space between table without breaking table formatting or alignment. So let's get started. We can see here our assignment. Now I create a table to this page. Go the insert menu, click this table option. Now I create a table. Now you can see here a table. Now I want to make space between to this table. Select this cell of this middle cell, otherwise you can select the single cell. Then click this, go to the design menu and click the border option, then choose no border. Then select the first table and click this border and choose the right border. Then select the second table and choose left border. Then we can see we separate the table or make space between table very easily. Here two table, but this two table is one. Now we can see this process. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.